Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Chris here with BNFX with your New York Open analysis and kind of a review of the week. Um, Market's pretty quiet today, just to kind of start off the week here. Not a lot going on. The only news piece that I picked up was that the EU is mulling over an oil embargo with Russia. So that would not be good for oil prices for sure. But other than that, the headlines from Friday are pretty weakish. As you can see, the market moves have been pretty limited here. Kind of looking at the week news-wise, we have CPI for the UK on Tuesday. Wednesday, we got a ton of stuff here. Flash PMIs from Germany. We've got an SMB press conference for the Swiss National Bank. Some speakers, but obviously, you know, the BOE and Powell are speaking for the Fed, but the rate announcements were last week, so I don't anticipate a lot of market moving news from them. So that's kind of what we have going on here. Geopolitically, I think is what's going to dominate this week here. As you can see, like I said, not a lot going on in terms of news to close out March. One thing to keep in mind is towards the end of the week, it might get a little crazy just because it's coming towards the end of the quarter, and a lot of big banks and funds are going to, clear out their books and make some moves here. So could be some irrational moves that go against sentiment, just to kind of square desks at some point. Looking at my my breakdown here, my market sentiment, the pound, obviously I have a little weaker right now. Although the EU is mulling over an oil embargo, a lot of people are pricing in the euro weakness already. So just be careful with that one. Watch out for any surprises that could just tear people apart. Same thing with the US dollar here. The 25-point basis hike was already anticipated. So unless there's something really, really strong for the dollar, or it's a real risk-off environment, I think that the dollar move has already kind of made its move. So keep an eye out for that as well. Aussie's kind of flat. Kiwi a little bit stronger, but nothing really crazy. The yen, once again, I think the weakness is so overbought, so oversold that any news headline, anything that's risk off could see a run for the yen. So watch out for that. But other than that, like I said, not a heck of a lot going on. So we'll stay tuned and see if we can find something. Oil might present an interesting move here to start the equity time frame here for the markets. But other than that, like I said, we'll keep quiet here. I'll take a look and see if there's anything worth trading. I don't see it right now. Let's take a look at. I want to take a look at what equities are doing right now. Yeah, you can see equities are slightly down. Nasdaq's down almost 1%, so that's interesting. EU's European markets are mixed. Oil way up 5%, which is crazy. So oil's definitely dominating the tone right now. You can see gold is up to 1934 an ounce. Crypto is slightly down. So it's kind of a weird mixed market. Interesting. Definitely a sign of inflation for sure. So like I said, we'll keep you posted if anything comes up. And other than that, man, we'll see you guys in the room, and you have a great day. Aloha.